Hi everyone, thanks for joining me again on another unboxing video. Today we're doing another LawMate product. Today's product is the PV-500 L4i. It's a IP based DVR. Let's go ahead and open the box. I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So these units are designed to plug into other cameras. If you're watching the next few videos, we'll be plugging a tactical headset into it. So if you're in law enforcement or a security guard, these units could be quite handy for you. We'll go ahead and open the box. Inside we've got our instructions as usual. So we've got our instruction manual for the unit and our PV cam guide. We then have the little 500 L4i DVR. So there's no screen on this little guy. You've got a couple of inputs and outputs on the sides of it. We'll run through all those in a sec. We also have underneath our AV input cable, so just a standard audio video cable, our charging cable, a handy dandy little pouch to keep it in, another charging cable, and a 16 gig micro SD card. As always with all the LawMate products here at the Spy Store, the 16 gig micro SD card comes included with it. So that's what you get inside the box. Stay tuned on the next video, guys, and we'll run you through on how to connect it up to the PV Cam Viewer app, what it can do, and how to get the most out of it. See you on the next one.